Hey guys, it's Legend Flaming Skull here. I'm going to we're going to be playing Roblox, of course. And also I got Robux on my Flaming Skull account. And also I'm back. And guys, I was going to do trolling on Raising It Up a Child because I bought admin comments, but I don't have permission yet, so yeah. But now I have Builders Club, so I don't really know what to play, but we're going to play Run, Hide, Escape, known as Flee the Facility. And yeah. And also, I have it on Espanol mode, so the words you see, not all of them, will be in Spanish. Yeah, guys, I have Robux now. And a VIP. And also I went a little overboard, played some, yeah. Nope, I am not playing a map. No way, mamma mia. Oh, don't not push me. Homestead by Mr. Windy. Sorry, I not make that. Not beast. Okay, good. Because I'm terrible at being beast at this map. Just you know, guys, the games on Roblox that I mostly play are Flee the Facility, Sky Wars, Bubblegum Simulator. Those are the games I mostly play, so you might meet me in one of those games. Are you seriously? And you can just relax. If I have to hack 4 computers by myself, yep, she saw me. Oh hell no, you don't. Nope. What? What? And she wrote me? She hacked or something? How? Just how? I already feel like that's cousin. I'm just kidding. Wait, did I put something? Huh. Yeah, wait. Johnny! Oh god. Nope. Help me. No. None of your business. Oh my Thomas, what is that way? Is that way? No, not again. Not again. No. None of your business. None of your heckin' business. Wait, here's the stairs. What the heck? I already made someone rage quit. kidding me? My golly. Oh my golly. Golly, golly, golly. Golly, go! Mamma mia. Can I turn the screen already? Boomly, boomly, boomly. I'm a dance now. Now hurry up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's taking a lot. Wait, it's taking way too long. Forget it. Forget it. Oh my god. Ooh. Me. Oh. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it. Oh, yes. Wait, did I just hear a heartbeat? Oh, was you? No, 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 no. Okay, good. Good, good. Nice paper wings. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? Bruh. He just walked right past us. Could you not hear the computer noise? He literally just walked right past us. What an idiot. Does he have sounds off or something? Or is he doing like a no sound challenge? Oh my god. I hear a heartbeat. Oh, oh come on, not a lie. Mamma mia. You suck. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just that and he left. He left. Just that and he left. What? Just that and he left? Are you kidding me? That was the most boring round ever. Jesus. This is the most boring round I've ever did in my entire life. Gotcha. Gotcha. And also, guys, if you do this, you'll end up on the Crystal Cove side. And I made even fall. Bruh. I didn't even make it anyway. But nice try. Why do we have to jump so little height? Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Not that. Oh! It's itchy. But I'm just doing for fun. Oh my god. Even the recording's lagging. Oh boy. And there's one more boring boring round ever. That was more boring than the last one. Because I didn't even get to see the beast. Where's all the excitement? Seriously. Can you stay for once? Seriously. Can the beast stay for once? We had 3 beast leaves in this video. Alright. He fell anyway. Derp. Seriously. Can the beast just stay for once? I don't want my video to be boring. Seriously, I do not like making boring videos. Seriously. So. Mamma mia. What is happening? Can I get up here? No, I cannot. Oof! Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm stuck down here. What is incredible? Oh, come on. If the beast leaves again, I am so caught up. The beast leaves again? Might as well end the video. Please don't quit. I want this video to be exciting. Without the excitement, where are all the fun? Where are all the fun be? Where will all the fun be? Seriously, I do not like making these boring videos. Seriously, who likes these boring videos? When it comes to boring videos, people might not subscribe. If you think, but if you ever become a YouTuber and you think you made a boring video, go watch and see if you're right. Okay? No. Oof, oof. Oof, 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 oof. Mamma mia. Oh, come on! No, I don't even care if I get this one wrong. Wow, one didn't even show up. Mamma mia. Oh, come on! Bruh. Bye-bye! Nope. Are you kidding me? Am I trapped now? Not the lag. Am I trapped now? Oh! Oh god! Oh god! How did it get me? How did it get me? How did it get me? You're lying. Hacker. Can someone please save me? Are you just gonna leave me or something? Please help me. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, they abandoned me. They abandoned me. They definitely abandoned me because no one's literally coming. Oof. And we're ending the video there. Guys, I am not doing anything. Watch, I'm not doing anything. I'm literally not doing anything. And my guy and my character is still moving. Yeah, we're definitely ending the video here because my character is having problems here. Wow, I literally cannot stop him. I literally cannot stop him. We're ending the video, guys, so like the video if you liked it and subscribe. And subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos that I upload.